What's up, y'all? It's Maria. Today I'm just gonna be giving us a little tutorial on a rock and roll smoky eye grungy look, and I just want to start off by saying that all of my makeup tutorials are going to be with vegan makeup products, majority of which are cruelty-free. I think I have like one or two makeup items that are vegan, but not from a 100% cruelty-free brand. But going forward in the future, I'm definitely going to try my best to keep supporting cruelty-free as well as, of course, 100% vegan products. So if you have any suggestions, I'd love to hear in the comments any brands that are ethical and purdy. So yeah, cool. Well, thanks for being here and let's get started. So I use Milani's eyeshadow primer first. Then I use RevitaLash's Volumizing primer. I love using this before putting on mascara because it gives a natural oomph so that when you do put your mascara on, it's already like zam. I also love using it on days where I don't particularly feel like wearing makeup, but I do put this on sometimes just because it opens up the eyelids a little bit. Back at it with RevitaLash, we've got the High Def Tinted Brow Gel. Then I'm using Urban Decay's highlighter, Space Powder. If people who use their fingers when they're doing their makeup bother you, you can just go ahead and unsubscribe. So I'm going to be putting this highlighter on my nose and I don't even know what to call this, the upper side cheek. You know, where when you turn your head towards the light and the sun kisses you, put it in that spot. The two palettes I've got are The Magic by Juvias Place and Patricia Bright's Rich in Color. Here's a closer look at The Magic and a closer look at Rich in Color. So first I'm taking Aja from the Magic palette, and then we're going to work that a nice even base coat all over the lid. I'm taking Missed Call from Patricia's palette, and I'm using a small precise headed brush like this one, and I'm just putting a thin line on my lower lash line to enhance the smokiness. With that same dainty brush, I'm taking Backstage and I'm working that into the tear duct. On the Rich in Color palette, I have Pillow Talk and I'm working this into the crease. And we're just gonna sort of drag that dark black blue color up into the red. And I sort of fan it out into a ovally shape to the outer corners of the eyes. From the Magic Mini palette, I'm taking Vi, and we're going to put this above the red color and blend that with what we already had in the crease. Fan that out, getting that nice oval, even shape. And don't forget to blend, beloveds. I'm making it a little sharper on the outer corners of the lid. As you can see, just a couple swipes of diagonal blending will sharpen that up a bit. That same Vi shade from the Magic Mini palette, I'm going to put that silvery shimmer in the corners of my tear ducts. Caution, this smolder will turn away all the right men with one glance. With Kat Von D's purple shade Potion, I'm going to scrape off a little bit of the excess lipstick, just because we're going to do a thin layer as a base coat, and I'm going to layer another color on top of this one. Just to make sure that's evenly blended, I use my finger to smudge. And this next shade, I didn't show you, oops, but it's Kat Von D's red, dark red Vampira shade. I absolutely love this, and I'm putting a thicker layer of this on top of the deep purple. Now we're gonna wing it out with Kat Von D's classic black tattoo liner. Don't forget to drag a thin line of that liner to the tear duct to greet the smokiness that we've got going on in the tear duct already. On the Magic Mini palette, I'm taking Kessie just to blend that color, those purpley colors, up into the highlight beneath the brow. Let's give ourselves a little oomph with Kat Von D's Go Big or Go Home mascara. Just to dabble on the lower lashes. With a slightly bigger brush from EcoTools, I'm taking that same Pillow Talk red shade from Patricia Bright's palette, and I'm reworking that back into the crease just to give it a little more color, and also blend it more into that silvery purple so it is more pronounced. To complete this sullen appearance, we're going to use Urban Decay's Naked Illuminated Bronzer. Bronze it up beneath the cheekbones, on either sides of the chin, close to the jawline, on either sides of the nose, and on the temples.